Every day, billions of sweet corn kernels begin an incredible journey to become creamy corn milk and premium corn starch.
The process begins with harvesting perfectly ripened sweet corn at the peak of freshness.
Thousands of tons of sweet corn arrive at the factory every single day. The factory receives an endless flow of freshly harvested sweet corn.
Fresh sweet corn is handled carefully to preserve its natural sweetness and quality.
The first cleaning stage removes leaves and field debris before processing begins. Powerful washing systems thoroughly clean every sweet corn cob.
Advanced inspection systems check every piece of sweet corn for perfect quality. Only the finest sweet corn continues to the next production stage.
Automated husking machines quickly remove the outer leaves from every cob. Fresh golden sweet corn is now ready for precision processing. Precision trimming creates uniform cobs for efficient kernel removal. The valuable kernels are about to be separated from each cob. High-speed cutters gently remove every sweet corn kernel with remarkable precision. Millions of fresh sweet corn kernels continue toward food processing.
The kernels receive another thorough wash using purified water. Powerful air systems remove excess moisture before grinding begins. Every kernel is cleaned to meet strict food safety standards.
Temporary storage keeps the sweet corn flowing smoothly through production. The kernels are precisely measured before the first crushing stage.
Initial crushing opens each kernel for efficient extraction. The crushed corn begins its transformation into valuable food ingredients. Controlled soaking softens the corn and prepares it for wet milling. Carefully controlled soaking improves starch and milk extraction efficiency.
Powerful mixers create a consistent sweet corn slurry for grinding.
Industrial grinders reduce the sweet corn into an ultra-fine mixture. The finely ground sweet corn now moves toward the extraction process. The prepared corn mixture is stabilized before valuable ingredients are separated. Next, the factory begins extracting creamy corn milk and pure corn starch from every sweet corn kernel. The extraction process separates creamy corn milk from the sweet corn fiber with remarkable efficiency. Fine filtration captures the smooth corn milk while removing coarse sweet corn solids. Freshly extracted corn milk begins its journey through the factory. High-speed centrifuges recover valuable starch hidden inside every sweet corn kernel. The remaining sweet corn fiber is separated for further industrial use. Fresh corn milk is safely transferred into controlled processing tanks.
Continuous mixing keeps the sweet corn milk perfectly uniform.
Every drop of corn milk remains protected inside hygienic food-grade equipment.
Precise temperature control preserves the natural quality of the sweet corn milk.
Advanced filtration creates an exceptionally smooth and creamy corn milk.
Homogenization creates a rich, silky texture throughout the corn milk. The corn milk becomes perfectly smooth and consistent. Pasteurization ensures the sweet corn milk is safe while preserving its flavor. Rapid cooling locks in freshness immediately after pasteurization.
The finished corn milk is stored under carefully controlled hygienic conditions. At the same time, another production line begins recovering pure cornstarch. Hydrocyclones isolate premium starch with incredible precision. The concentrated starch suspension moves to its purification stage.
Repeated washing removes impurities and improves starch purity.
Every cycle produces cleaner and finer sweet corn starch.
Vacuum filtration removes moisture before drying begins.
The concentrated starch is now ready for controlled drying.
Flash dryers rapidly transform wet starch into fine powder.
Every sweet corn starch particle is dried to achieve premium quality.
Powerful cyclone systems efficiently collect the finished starch powder. Precision screening guarantees an even and consistent starch particle size. Every batch of starch continues toward strict quality inspection.
Laboratory experts verify the purity and quality of every production batch.
Both corn milk and corn starch undergo rigorous quality testing before packaging. With quality confirmed, the sweet corn milk and corn starch are now ready for final packaging and distribution. The freshly processed sweet corn milk is now filled into sterile containers with perfect precision. Every bottle receives the exact amount of premium sweet corn milk.
Each container is securely sealed to preserve freshness and quality.
Every bottle is carefully inspected to ensure a perfect airtight seal. Automatic labeling prepares every bottle for retail shelves. Advanced cameras verify that every sweet corn milk bottle meets strict quality standards. Robotic systems pack the finished sweet corn milk quickly and accurately. The packaged sweet corn milk is securely sealed for transportation. Automated palletizers prepare thousands of cartons for shipment. The finished sweet corn milk is safely stored before distribution. Meanwhile, premium sweet corn starch enters the final packaging line.
Each package receives the exact weight of refined sweet corn starch.
Every package is marked for complete quality traceability. Smart inspection systems verify every package before shipment. The finished sweet corn starch is carefully packed into shipping cartons. Robotic palletizing keeps production fast, safe, and highly efficient. Protective wrapping keeps every pallet clean during transportation. Finished products are organized and stored under carefully controlled conditions. Automation allows the factory to manage billions of corn-based products efficiently. Every shipment is digitally tracked from production to delivery. Orders are prepared automatically for customers around the world. Premium sweet corn starch is now ready for worldwide distribution. Every day, thousands of shipments leave the factory for global markets. From one sweet corn harvest come two valuable food products enjoyed around the world. Every stage of processing transforms fresh sweet corn into premium, everyday ingredients.
Advanced technology unlocks the full value of every sweet corn kernel.
Every carton is digitally identified for complete product traceability. Intelligent robots organize sweet corn products according to customer destinations. The smart warehouse safely stores billions of sweet corn products before dispatch.
Premium sweet corn starch moves efficiently toward international shipping.
Final quality inspections guarantee every bottle meets the highest food standards.
Every batch is carefully examined for perfect texture, color, and consistency. Advanced instruments verify the purity and fineness of every cornstarch particle. Accurate weighing ensures every package contains the correct amount of sweet corn starch.
Automated inspection instantly removes any package that fails quality requirements.
Protective wrapping keeps every sweet corn product secure during transportation.
The finished sweet corn starch is now ready to begin its global journey. Temperature-controlled transportation preserves the freshness of sweet corn milk. Premium sweet corn starch is shipped to food manufacturers across the world. Automation allows the factory to handle billions of sweet corn products every year. Real-time monitoring keeps every stage of sweet corn production running efficiently. A centralized control system coordinates every machine throughout the factory.
Every section works together to transform fresh sweet corn into valuable food ingredients. One simple sweet corn kernel creates multiple products used around the world.
The complete transformation highlights the incredible value hidden inside every sweet corn kernel.
Advanced engineering ensures every sweet corn kernel is processed with maximum efficiency.
Highly automated systems allow continuous production with precise supervision.
Every shipment carries the results of one of the world's most efficient sweet corn production systems. The cycle continues as fresh sweet corn arrives for another day of production.
Fresh products begin their journey from the factory to consumers everywhere.
From billions of sweet corn kernels to creamy corn milk and pure corn starch, this incredible factory packed. The journey begins and ends with nature's golden gift, sweet corn. Nature and modern engineering work together to transform fresh, sweet corn into everyday essentials.
From billions of fresh sweet corn kernels to premium corn milk and cornstarch, this remarkable factory never stops producing. Thank you for watching the complete journey of how billions of sweet corn become creamy corn cornstarch.